Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're the #1 ROUSH dealer in Canada, and we are the only ROUSH dealer on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT ROUSH, which is in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has the ROUSH graphics on it, as well as the 2.0 Fox suspension system. It also has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have those nice leather seats with inserts with a perforation, as well the ROUSH stitching. Off to the side here, you have got your lighting controls. There's your power pedals and your electronic parking brake. You also have LED side view mirror spotlights, as well as grab handles, making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you have a menu that you can toggle through. And as it comes up here, you're seeing display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Up above in the cubby, you have a place to put things, and then you've got your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start, which gives you less idle time. And then on your screen you can touch through for different options, such as audio with your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You can slide through your settings, and by touching on there, you have things like Wi-Fi hotspot, your display, and other options there. You also have your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. Down below is your climate control, and you have AC and max AC, and then you also have heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side is 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and there's a little cubby there. And in the center you're seeing a cubby as well, and when you push this forward, you've got more room to put things, as well as a couple of USB outlets. Your automatic select shifter also has drive mode, and when we press this, you will see it appear on the dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then it comes back around again. And I'm just going to bring the shifter forward for you. I want you to see that serialized badge. This is one of 18 F-150s that Island Ford has. We have 20 of these 70 vehicles that are in Canada, and we are the #1 ROUSH dealer in British Columbia, and the only one on Vancouver Island. We also have a couple of cup holders off to the side. Your armrest opens up, and there's more storage in there. You can take the bin out. It's quite deep, and you've got a 12-volt down below. Off to the side is a 12-volt and a 110 outlet. That's located there. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above is an auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, sunglass holder. This is the button that slides that power back window. And then on a nice day like today, let's open up that sunroof. And we just push the button for some nice fresh air. 20-inch wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, 2.0 Fox performance suspension, body colored running boards and door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have the ROUSH graphics on the tailgate. There's backup sensors on your bumper, as well as a backup camera just below the handle, a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined with a spray-in liner. You also have tie-downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link and a tailgate step to make it easier to get in. On your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you have those nice leather seats with perforated inserts, as well as the ROUSH stitching in the back. When you're ready to lift up the seats, simply put your hand on the bottom, lift up, and it's in the upright position. You can then pull the clip to bring it right back down, and you also have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. On the floor is an all-weather mat, and you're seeing extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center console there's a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110 USB outlets, as well as air vents. In the body, grab handles, hooks and handles, as well as that panoramic view up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, ROUSH splash graphics, ROUSH Fender flares with clearance lighting, 5.5-foot box. Privacy glass in the back windows with window vents. Heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system. ROUSH windshield graphics, hood graphics. ROUSH grille with clearance lighting. Halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.